10. Limit n tends to infinity, n plus 1 into n plus 2 into so on 3n by n to the power of 2n whole to the power of 1 by n is equals to, let k is equal to n by n to the power of 2n whole to the power of 1 by n. Taking log on both sides, log k is equal to 1 by n into log of n plus 1 into by n to the power of 2n, that is 1 by n into log of n plus 1 by n, n plus 2 by n, and so on n plus 2n by n. 3n can be written as n plus 2n by n. Now this is limit n tends to infinity 1 by n log of sigma n is equal to 1 to 2n log of 1 plus x. So that is equal to integral 0 to 2 log of 1 plus x dx. Now this is using integration by parts, x into log of 1 plus x 0 to 2 minus integral 1 x by x plus 1 0 to 2 dx. Now this is 2 into log 3, 2 log 3 minus integral 0 to 1, 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. Now that is equal to log 3 square minus x minus log of x plus 1 0 to 2. This is log 9 minus 2 minus log 3. Remaining is 0. So that is log 9 by 3 minus 2. Log 9 into 3 minus 2. Log 27 minus 2. That is log k. Okay. Question number 11. If integral 0 to infinity x square dx by x square plus a square into x square plus b square into x square plus c square is equal to pi by 2 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a, then integral 0 to infinity dx of x square plus 9 given integral 0 to infinity x square dx by x square plus a square into x square plus b square into x square plus c square, that is equal to pi by 2 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. Put x is equal to 0, c is equal to 0. Integral 0 to infinity x square dx by x square plus a square into x square plus b square into x square. X square is cancelled, that is equal to pi by 2 into a plus b into b ab into ab. So that's why integral 0 to infinity dx by x square plus 2 square into x square plus 3 square is equal to pi by 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2 into 3, that is equal to pi by 60 is the answer. Question number 12. Limit x tends to 0 integral 0 to x tan square t secant square t into dt by x cube. This type of problems is solved by using Leibniz theorem. That is, limit x tends to 0, derivative of upper limit is 1, and applying upper limit on the function into secant square x minus derivative of lower limit is 0 by derivative of x cube is 3x square. Now we know that limit x tends to 0, tan square x by x square is 1. So secant square 0 by 3. That means 1 by 3. Secant 0 is 1. Question number 13. Integral 2 to 4 log x square dx by log x square plus log of 36 minus 12x plus x squared is. Now here we are applying integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This property is applied on this problem. So now it is I is equal to integral 2 to 4 log of 2 plus 4 minus x whole square by log of 2 plus 6 minus 2 4 minus x whole square into plus log of 1 minute I is equal to integral 0 to 4 continue log of x square dx by log of x square plus log x minus 6 or 6 minus x whole square. I is equal to, now we apply the formula 2 to 4 log 2 plus 4 minus x whole square dx by log 2 plus 4 minus x whole square plus log of 6 minus 2 plus 4 minus x whole square. Now this is integral 2 to 4 log of 6 minus x whole square dx by log 6 minus x whole square plus log x square. This is 2. Given problem is 1. So 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is not like the integral 2 to 4 log of x square plus log 6 minus x whole square by whole square plus log x square dx. Cancel. Now this is 2I is equal to x 2 to 4. 2I is equal to 2. I is equal to 1. That is the answer. The solution for x integral root 2 to x dt by t into root of t square minus 1 is equal to pi by 2 is integral root by t into root of t square minus 1 is equal to pi by 2. This is the secant inverse t. Root 2 to x is equal to pi by 2. Now this is secant inverse x minus secant inverse 2 root 2 is equal to pi by 2. Secant inverse x is minus pi by 4 is equal to pi by 2. Secant inverse x is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Now x is equal to secant of pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Now x is equal to minus cosecant pi by 4. That is x is the minus root 2 is the answer.